What prompted you? What inspired you to make this kind of show?
Okay, next. Tell me your name.
Milos.
Okay, this is a way to describe the hard reality of life, but in puppet theater we use the extreme way to see it.
To je bio jedan način da se pokaže koliko je život težak, ali pošto mi koristimo lutke, onda se to pokazuje na još ekstremniji način.
Because we want to show that when people, a man gets miserable and has emoness, you know the word, emony. When people are passionate by obsessions, because of afraid to have a real life, then it turns boomerang. So we want to show that people have to live their life in all extents.
Zato što su želi da pokažu da ako neko priđe životu sa strahovima, ako se boji da živi svoj život u potpunosti, da se onda svi ti njihovi strahovi njima vrate kao bumerang. Znači, da je njihova poruka htjela da bude da je jako bitno živjeti život i uživati u životu, znači u svim manifestacijama života.
And also in theater we use it, it's symbolic. It's not that we want to kill all our puppets, it's symbolic that this kind of life, it looks like death.
Znači njihova upotreba lutaka je na simboličan način. To ne znači da su oni zaista želeli da budu okrutni prema svojim lutkama, već da je to način da se ispriča ta priča.
For example, if you spend all your day in front of a computer or a video game, you not live your life.
Na primjer, ako svoj život provedeš ispred kompjutera, ti zapravo ne živiš svoj život, ti traćiš svoj život. Da, naravno.
We learn through our show, through our every show things, and to make it, we think we become better. We learn technically and not only.
and spiritually. Naravno, u svakoj predstavi se nauči nešto novo.
For example, we make workshops and to share knowledge with people, especially with kids. We also, so many years we work with kids in schools and camps and...
You understood that? We're having a discussion about the show, and they were wondering whether the show did offer some hope, or whether it was quite pessimistic in its outlook. So she was interested in your view on that.
It's like I told you before, we don't give a happy end or something. We just see a real life in a symbolic way. And that's it. We want to stop there. We don't have everybody get married after. It's just images that I think, and I want to ask also the children, if that we live every day. For example,
oni ne veruju da predstave treba da imaju srećan kraj. Oni veruju da je važno predstaviti život onakvim kakav jeste na simboličan način.
And for example, the guy on the balcony that burns
znači onaj čovjek na balkonu koji gori glava.
Is not our image from my imagination. It's a really image from our neighborhood.
To nije neka slika koju su oni izmislili, to je zapravo slika iz njegovog komšiluka.
There is a guy like this, stay all day and all night like this.
Ima jedan čovjek koji tako sedi svakog dana i svake noći na balkonu.
So there's no bad end, there's no good end, it's just this.
Ne postoji ništa što je recimo dobar tata ili loš tata, eto to je to.
We wish to make people think and wake up. We do not do it, but we wish they do.
Oni žele da podstaknu ljude da razmišljaju, a ne da oni sve serviraju.
Someone of their family.
Oni žele da pitaju kako vama izgledaju te slike koje ste vidjeli u predstavi, da li su vam strane, nepoznate ili možda nešto da prepoznate u njima?
Nekog svog parka. Pa, kod mene još nikoga nije stresila struja.
Ti se ti znaš sebe